Do you remember the roadmap? So where we are, so not here, that's the beginning, pre-project phase, project selection, understand the project of the customer, list all the projects, select the project that's more viable, feasible. Then we have, once you select the project, you have the kickoff, and we go to the initiation plan. And here we have two documents, the project charter, the stakeholders analysis. Once the project charter is approved, we move to the planning phase. In the first part of planning phase, we go for the scope management, and one big outcome and a very important outcome is the WBS. Okay, WBS is a very important outcome. What is the WBS? So just to remind us about the WBS and some considerations about the WBS, we have on the first level, here, we have the project title. Then we have here the first level of major deliverables. Then we move back to the sub-deliverables, and then we go for the lowest level sub-deliverables. From the lowest level sub-deliverables, we can create the WBS dictionary. WBS dictionary is our work package. Same thing. On the WBS dictionary, we can identify the activities, okay? One important note here, it's very important to name deliverables and activities properly. What I mean by properly, the deliverables are deliverables. Oh, that's funny. And the deliverables, but they are, you have to use nouns, okay? Nouns or compound nouns. So a guide is a noun. A training guide is a compound noun. A website is a deliverable, something concrete that you can deliver. So you name that as a noun, or a manuscript is something concrete. They are not activities, they are deliverables. How we name activities? We name activities using action, verbs, okay? Activities, to name activities, you have to use action verbs. What is an action verb? Let's take action verbs. For instance, write, paint, revise, develop, purchase, choose. All of those things are action verbs. So when we talk about deliverables that are in the WBS, it's just nouns and compound nouns. When you go for the WBS dictionary, you have a place to put the activities, and there you need to use the proper name, action verb plus a complement. So if revise manuscript is a noun or revise manuscript, what is the activity? So the action verb, what is the activity? Revise manuscript. Did you understand the difference? It's not revised manuscript. That is the deliverable. And the action is to revise what? Manuscript. When, and just move things. So in the WBS, we just put deliverables, not activities. We don't put activities on the WBS. In this example here, that those things here are activities and should not appear on the WBS, okay? So that's okay. That side here is okay. That's okay, okay? That side here is okay. that side here, it should not appear in the WBS. All that in the white here can go inside the WBS dictionary, but not in the WBS, because those are activities, because they have an action verb plus a complement.